Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the traveling towboat chef. It's been a long, hot day, but now I'm done, and I took my shower, sitting out here in the deck locker, waiting for this little bit of hair to dry, and when it does get dry, then I'm going to bed. But before I do that, I'm going to try and post this video. I'm doing a lot of editing. Now, the recipe I'm about to show you. Now, so if you want the printable recipe, please email me. The link is down below. And I'll send that to you. But the guys had a lot of fun with it. And please stay tuned to the end. You'll really enjoy what I saw today. See you in a few moments. Okay, here is some jerk chicken I just started. Had to bake it off a little bit. So I'll post the recipe to this down below. Trust me, this is to die for. So today's chicken day. So I'm doing jerk chicken. And then I'm also doing barbecue chicken breast. Now over here, I've got wings going. And then I've got ranch and garlic Italian seasoning chicken tenders I'm going to be frying up as well. That corn on the cob that's in the back in the oven. I've already got some zucchini and squash being roasted, and some garlic parmesan potatoes wedges that are being fried up. So take a video of those when they come out of the oven. Talk to you in a bit. By the way, this is that jerk seasoning that it had been marinated in since yesterday and baked in, and it's also then good for dipping in after everything's all cooked. But I mean, it is, like I said, to die for. So if you had never had jerk chicken made this way, you gotta try it. Here's what it looks like when it comes off the grill. Trust me, the grill's very hot. I almost burnt my hand off. Because I'm just having issues with burning myself this week. But that's okay. Part of the job. I'll deal with it. But don't that look yummy? Okay, let's start all over here. We've got barbecue chicken breast. This is the jerk chicken. This is the garlic parsley wings and tenders, corn on the cob, roasted squash, and garlic ranch roasted potatoes wedges. This is Jeremy. He's one of our deckhands. He lives in St. Louis when he's not on the boat. Now, in this next part of the video, he has shown me a lot of the sights. I try to catch his voice and everything, but it's just way too much in the sound. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to mute the sound and do some verbiage and probably just add some music to it. So we're coming up to St. Louis here. And you can see that bright light there is not a light, it's the sun shining on the arc. So that's St. Louis right there in that background there. So that's the railroad bridge, the first bridge that we got to come to. So he's now told me that Budweiser has a big, huge plant over here, and it is so big, it has its own zip code. So look at the size of this thing. This is huge. And of course, just to let people know, that's a tugboat you see, not a towboat. Tugboat, 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 tugboat. Say that 5 times fast. I double dog dare you. He's now pointing out certain things to me. You can't really see it, unfortunately. I tried to see it as much as I could, but I couldn't. Later on, I do have a video that I'm going to be attaching to this one that is a little bit closer, and I'll try and point it out then. But in the meantime, let's enjoy some music while we're doing this. Well, I didn't hit the record button to get a picture of this, go with the city, but I did get a here of the arch. So, enjoy this picture. I do have a couple of stills at the end of this, but it was very beautiful just to even get this.